In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to set iPhone emoji on Android. You just need to follow these steps. So let's get into it. First, all you have to do is go to the app Play Store. First, I'm gonna show you my emojis that I have. So these are the emoji that an Android user got in their phone. So in order to replace this emoji with an iPhone emoji, you just need to download one app called ZFont. Well, you need to download this app. So you can see that it has already been downloaded. You just need to open this app first. Then you need to scroll down a little bit. Here you can see the option of emoji. And you'll get to see the iPhone emoji in the first option. Tap on it. Then you need to tap on apply in the bottom. Then click on first method. And you need to click on change font. Here you'll get to see an image like this. You need to tap on iOS 15.4. Then you need to click on apply. Here it says that reboot to apply this theme's font. So in order to get iPhone emoji, you need to reboot your phone. So you need to click on reboot. After rebooting your device, your iPhone emoji feature will be available in your phone. So let's check it out. So let me go to my notes. Now go to your keyboard and see whether your iPhone emoji is available or not. So here it is. You can clearly see that these are the emoji of iPhone. Now you can easily use this emoji in your Android phone. Well, with the help of this app, you can easily get iPhone emoji in your phone. So this is it, and this was the tutorial on how to set iPhone emoji on Android. I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you for watching and have a great day.